Well. Finally got in my new electric PTO for the Craftsman GT tractor. And this is the box that came in. Extreme outdoor power equipment. And these are the different models and stuff. It's got all this writing on the box. And I don't know if that's the model number or not, but it is what it is. So that is the electric PTO. It's got the yellow wiring harness, which also has some grease, dielectric grease put in it to help protect and make easy installation of this to the wire harness coming off the PTO. It comes with a grade 5 bolt, which is 7/16, number 20 thread count. Couple of zip ties, belt to secure the wire, and a two-sided instruction manual. Now mine is the 7/16, number 5 grade, and it gives you the torque specifications. Now those torque specifications might apply to your specific mower or tractor, whatever. Then it's also got the other side, Now there's guys out there who can do this blindfolded. Now, some models also come with this piece. It depends on what you get. Like I said, it's an instruction manual. So I've just got to get this thing installed on the mower. Oh yeah, and it has a replaceable top bearing. Got a little E-clip right there, but it's not a bad unit. Got it off of eBay. So I just got to get out there and get it installed. And it also has the adjustment bolts. There's 3 of them. So you can adjust it to your more specific thickness. And it tells you on here, do not use impact gun, only use a torque wrench. And stuff like that. But here it is. So I just gotta get there one of these days and get this thing installed. So y'all have a great day. See y'all later. Thank you.